हेलो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। अभी तक हम लोगों ने लेसन के वीडियो देखे, पोएम के वीडियो देखे। चलिए एक वीडियो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए, रिवीजन के लिए। आपका फर्स्ट टर्म आ रहा है, इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि आपको रिवीजन करा दिया जाए, क्वेश्चंस का रिवीजन आप कर लें। तो सबसे पहले आज का क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द बिहेवियर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन ड्यूरिंग द डिजास्टर। बताइए ये किस लेसन का क्वेश्चन है, आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, द चिल्ड्रन अंडरस्टूड द सिचुएशन ऑफ द शिप एंड द डेंजर ऑन देयर लाइफ. They understood that their father and mother were trying hard to save the ship. Jonathan made a card to greet his father, thanking him for being with them. And the daughter Suzanne did not complain about her head injury. Children's behavior made the author firm in his efforts to save the ship. Narrator's wife Mary helped him in controlling the ship and supported him emotionally. आपको पता चल गया होगा ये किस लेसन का क्वेश्चन है। दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्क्राइब द स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द नरेटर टू सेव द शिप. So this is also the question of the same lesson. Answer of this question is, after the wave hit the ship was in a very bad condition. Water level inside the ship was very high. Sideboard was broken at many places, so water was coming inside with each wave. Larry and Herb वर पंपिंग लाइक मैडमैन. लैरी और हर्ब कौन थे? लैरी विजिल एंड हर्ब सिगलर वर द टू क्रूमैन विच द नरेटर टुक फ्रॉम केप टाउन, साउथ अफ्रीका. आर्थर fitted canvas on the gaps in the sideboard with a screw and hammer. He found an extra electric pump and connected it with the out pipe. It worked and started throwing water out. Arthur found out the direction of the ship with the help of an extra compass when the original compass was lost. He managed to take the ship to an island, Isle Amsterdam. All the family members and crew were together in the moment of crisis. So let's go to another question. Write a character sketch of grandmother. Answer of this question is, grandmother was a religious lady. Grandmother recited a religious prayer all the time. She was always telling the beads of her rosary, and she read the scriptures in the village temple. She was kind to animals. She fed stale chapatis to village dogs. She fed crumbs of chapatis to sparrows in the city. Full of life, she was active. She hobbled in her home with bent body. She went to village school with Khushwant Singh. She sat on spinning wheel on homecoming of Khushwant Singh. She collected nearby women and sang songs for a long time. And she had a strong willpower. When she became ill, the family members asked her to stop praying, but she refused to do so. She continued praying and telling beads of her rosary. Grandmother always kept a rosary with her. She was always telling the beads of her rosary. Her lips were always moving in prayer. She was sitting in village school and reading scriptures. She was kind to animals. She fed stale chapatis to the village dogs and bits of chapatis to sparrows in the city. Khushwant Singh's mother thought that the sparrow had come for bread, so she spread some breadcrumbs from them, but the sparrows took no notice of the bread. When the dead body of the grandmother was taken away for cremation, the sparrows flew away silently. So two questions are merged in this. Now next. What has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? So what is the question related to? This question is related to the poem, the photograph. The sea has not changed over the years. Its waves are as fresh, shining and tireless as they were years ago. तो समुद्र में कोई चेंज नहीं आया है, इसकी लहरें वैसी ही चमकदार, तरोताज़ा और बिना थकी हुई हैं जैसे वो पहली थी. द चेंजलेसनेस ऑफ द सी रिमाइंड्स अस ऑफ द चेंजेज इन ह्यूमन फेस विद एडवांसिंग एज. तो एक तरफ सी है जो चेंज नहीं होता है, दूसरी तरफ ह्यूमन फेस है, चेंज होता है. ह्यूमन कंडीशन, ह्यूमन एज, ह्यूमन स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ चेंजेस. What has the camera captured? The camera has captured the three girls, the poet's mother and her two cousins, Betty and Dolly, in their swimming dresses, with the poet's mother in the middle and the two cousins on either side holding her hands and walking on feet in seawater. Next question. To what the words movement compared? What is the basis for the comparison? Answer. The goldfinch movement is compared to a lizard. The basis of the comparison is the sleek, abrupt and alert movement of the lizard. The same kind of movements are observed when the goldfinch arrives on the laburnum tree. Question. Why is the image of engine evoked by the poet? Answer. The engine is the source of energy to run a machine. It is compared to bird as she is to a source of energy to her family. As without engine a machine cannot work, in the same way without a bird her family cannot survive. What does the phrase her word face identity mask mean? Answer. The phrase means that the words bird is word or covered face becomes her identity mask recognition. Next question. How does Mrs. Pearson change the behavior of her husband George Pearson? Answer. George is the husband of Mrs. Pearson. He is about 50. He is fundamentally decent. He is solemn but self-important and pompous. He is heavy and slow-moving. His male ego suffers a setback when he comes to know that his wife had not kept tea ready for him. Whether he needs it or not, she must have kept tea ready like an obedient wife. He is always at the clubs and spends little time with his wife. Mrs. Pearson ridicules him. She tells him that people at the club laugh at him and call him Pompey Pearson. He has become a standing joke for the people at the club. He loses her temper and glares at her. Mrs. Pearson brings him down to earth by telling the reality to him. Now next question is, describe the Garaglian family. Why and what were the members of the family proud of? Answer. The Garaglian family was living in the most amazing poverty. Even they found it difficult to buy food for themselves. For the last 11 centuries, they were famous for their trust, honesty and integrity. They were proud of their honesty. None of them could take advantage of anybody. Stealing was impossible by the family members. तो आगे हम लोग इसी तरह पढ़ते रहेंगे. टेक केयर स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय।